Hi, and today I'm going to tell you 5 low risk, easy things to make to sell with your Cricut machine. Hi, I'm Sarah, this is Extraordinary Chaos and I'm the designer behind this channel, and I'm here to help you get the best out of your Cricut machine. And today we are looking at making things to sell online. So if you want to set up a side hustle, you love your Cricut machine, you love making and designing things and you want to sell, these are the things that I believe are the lowest risk. And we're going to stick mainly to things you can make with paper and card. And the reason for this is there's little room for operator error. Now, you will be in all the Facebook groups like I am, and you see people saying, help, I've just got this cut back, I've personalised it with vinyl, and they're saying it's peeling off. I've made this jumper, it's been sent back to me, it was made with bubble vinyl or it was made with glitter vinyl, and it's peeling off when the user has washed it. And the reason for that is no matter what instructions you send, people do not follow. So that means you can send all the instructions, so this mug cannot, or this cup cannot be put in the dishwasher, this jumper cannot be put in the tumble dryer, but people still will. But then what they'll also do is they will email you and say, I didn't, it's ruined and I want a replacement. And I see it again and again, and no doubt you do. So if you want to make and sell those things, do, but they carry a higher risk. So what I was going to do today is just share with you a few low risk things. If you want to use vinyl and bubble vinyl and put vinyl on cups and glasses, then do. But I would say do it as gifts and use it for yourself, because you know what the work's gone into it and you are going to care for it. But if you want to put images on cups and glasses, sublimate, because sublimation doesn't come off. I would say that is definitely the safest bet with clothing and with cups and glasses. But the Cricut machine is amazing. You can make so much with it and you can use so many things with it to make to sell. It's about making the right things, the low risk items that you can make in bulk, you can make easily, and you can sell and not meet yourself coming backwards because you're making so many different things and trying to get things right, and then you've got people complaining, and it's generally 99% of the time not going to be your fault. It's the way people look after things. So these are the things that I think are lower risk. So the first one is cake toppers. You can transform any cake with a cake topper. A really great way to get shots is to go to Asda, and they do a really good hundreds and thousands cake that's just hundreds and thousands covered, and any cake topper looks great on it. So cake toppers are a great way to jazz up a cake. Lots of people for weddings are going down the route of doing the DIY weddings, so they're buying the naked cakes and stacking them up. Cake toppers for weddings, that's a great place to start. You can make some simple or layered cake toppers and go as mad as you want. Pop them in your Facebook page, your Etsy shop, and you can do them personalized, ages, messages. They're easy to make and lower risk because they're going to be used once. You're going to send pictures or images through of what you're creating. The only thing you've got to check right is that you've got to double check your spelling, because that's another thing that I see all the time, is that it's spelt wrong and the sender has said it's spelt wrong. So make a mock-up, send it over and say, please confirm the spellings. Next, we've got cards. So people go crazy for cards. And I know when it's my boy's birthday, I always wanted to make sure that I got a special card, whether it was an age, had their name on it. So these are number cards. These are created with our 3-number alphabet. You can have personal cards with initials. You can just make packs of cards and take them to craft fairs, wedding cards, special birthdays, cards. People love to buy cards that has a personal message to the person of something they love, or just looks great. And these are a great way that you can make numbers in bulk, sell them in local craft shop. But designing your own cards is a really popular craft that people like to buy and like to buy individual and personalised. So the next one is stickers, planner stickers, reward stickers, journal and bullet journal stickers, or just stickers for kiddies, for holiday survival kits, for different locations. I've always been obsessed with stickers all my life. That's probably what brought me to Cricut in the first place. So just an example of some of the Cricut stickers that I make. Easy to make if you know how, but if somebody wants to buy a sticker in a certain theme and a certain colour, then they really do appreciate it. A great thing now is seasonal stickers. So these are Christmas countdown stickers, stickers for scrapbooking layouts. So there's so many different styles you can create. Stickers are a really popular item that people love to buy for so many different reasons. They work for so many different projects, i.e. card making, scrapbooking, journals, planners, and reward stickers. Milestone cards are also super popular, and the new parent, they love all the milestone cards, so that they've got 1 week, 1 month. Then you've got the first, so all the first things they do, whether it's going on holiday, whether it's a flight, first trip somewhere. Milestone cards are really popular, and parents love stuff like that these days, don't they? So to have packs of milestone cards, personalised milestone cards, so cards for celebrating milestones and for delivering a surprise. Another one is party invitations. Now, when my kids were little, I liked to have them personalised. You can buy them and write them all out, but I used to like to plan it to the theme of my party. And party invitations are really easy to design in Canva and sell, so that you can design them for themes, whether it's football themes, ballerina themes, robot themes. I have lots of free invitations on my website, but if you want somebody that wants them delivered to your door with your child's name on, so that you can just write the name of the guest, then they are a really easy, great way to make a product that's nice and easy to sell for a nice occasion. And then also, if you want to do something a bit more premium and a bit more upscale, then you've got wedding invitations, which again, designing them in Canva still takes skill. So you can create an invitation, print them on lovely quality paper, and get one of the foiling machines so that you can create foil embossed invitations. So again, you make up one mock-up, and then if the bride's happy, you make the rest. And the last one is personalised party supplies. And when my kids were little, I liked all my parties to be themed but also personalised, and you can create that. And there are families and parents that will pay to have the right theme with their child's name on, and you can create banners, invitations, personalised party bags to send out with the child's initials on, party straws so that you've got initials on the party straws, and cake toppers, so that they're a mini version of your big cake topper, or just little cake toppers with your child's initial on. And you can sell those in packs, so that a parent can say, right, okay, well, I'm going to have a space theme. You can then work with the parent to work out how to create what you need for a personalised banner, all the things you want for the table, and it creates a great pack, a party pack that's all personalised. And again, it's a step up from the normal party supplies you would go and buy from the shop, because it's personalised, so people are happy to pay for it if they want that personalised look at their event, which as a parent I did. So I hope that was useful. So that was 5 low risk items to make and sell with your Cricut, with the aim of leaving as little operator error as possible at the other end. So these are things that people can unpack and use. They don't need washing, they can't put them in the microwave, dishwasher or washing machine. They just unpack and use, which for you means less grief. Please do check out all my Cricut tutorials helping you to make cake toppers, cards and stickers. There's lots of tutorials to help you create your own personalised projects to sell. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please pop it below, and happy crafting.